Once you have your vehicle raised and supported, you want to go ahead and use a jack and put that under the axle. You want to just hold a little bit of support on that. You don't want to lift the vehicle off your jack stands, but support the axle. I'm going to use some penetrant on the bolt. Using a 21mm socket and ratchet and 21mm impact, I'm going to go ahead and remove this bolt. Now, if you have a hard time removing this bolt, go ahead and raise or lower your axle jack, and that'll tell you if you're in the right position. I'm going to go ahead and use some penetrant on these two bolts. Using a 10mm socket and some extensions, we're going to go ahead and remove the two bolts on the top part of the shock. Support your shock as the other bolt comes out and lower it away. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start one of the bolts right here. I'm going to slide our shock tab into it, line up the other hole, and get this one started. Once we have those started, we're going to go ahead and tighten those down. Once we have the band cut off of the shock itself, we'll just let this expand out into position. We'll go ahead and lower the axle a little bit. I'll go ahead and push the shock up into position here. And as the shock expands, go ahead and feed your bolt through and get our nut started. I'll go ahead and tighten that down. The upper bolt's to 26 foot-pounds. I'm going to torque this lower shock bolt to 70 foot-pounds. Now you can go ahead and lower your axle support. And you're all set.